Sony announces these PlayStation Plus games for September. Sony has announced the list of PlayStation Plus games for September, featuring 3 games, including the Harry Potter Quidditch Champions, Little Nightmares 2, and MLB The Show 24. These games will be available on PlayStation Plus from September 3rd and can be played on PS5 and PS4 both. Harry Potter Quidditch Champions. If you're an avid Harry Potter fan, take your Quidditch fantasy to the next level with the upcoming game on the PlayStation Plus, Harry Potter Quidditch Champions. It's a multiplayer video game, the sequel to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. The game focuses on the magical sport of Quidditch featured in famous author J.K. Rowling's literary universe. It's launching on PS5, PS4, Xbox Series X and Series S, Xbox One, and PC. In Quidditch games, users can play as any of the iconic characters from the Harry Potter world or design their custom character. Users can play as one of the positions, chaser, seeker, keeper, or beater, each with their own style. It also features new maps that showcase never-before-seen areas of the Wizarding world. Moreover, teams of up to 3 friends can launch into exhibition matches and set teams to play competitive online matches against other teams. MLB The Show 24. MLB The Show 24 is a baseball simulation game made by San Diego Studio and published by MLB Advanced Media and Sony Interactive Entertainment. It's the 19th game in the MLB The Show video game franchise based on Major League Baseball. Little Nightmares 2. Lastly, discover the sinister secrets of the Signal Tower in Little Nightmares 2, a single-player adventure horror-themed game. It was developed by Tarsier Studios and published by Bandai Namco Entertainment. It features a suspenseful story where a boy named Mono is trapped in a world rotten from the inside due to an evil transmission through TV. In Little Nightmares 2, the mission is to reach the Signal Tower, so begin your journey in the face of terrible threats in a mission to stop the source of evil from spreading throughout the land.